Look at this disco ball spinning guy. Yeah, he got frizzy hair. Let's change that in a second. Looking clean as ever, defined as ever. You see that? I see that. I know you see it too. Bro, you already know we out here, man. My name is Marlon, and if you're new, my name is Marlon. Alright, as you can tell, I just washed my hair, and this is how it looks as soon as I wash it. If you want to see a video of me washing my hair, I'm going to link it above. So right now my hair's just drying, and I'm gonna pick it out for the volume, of course you know this, from the roots only, because you don't want to get the frizz. You want to keep the defined curls, you feel me? Alright, and then you just want to shake it to the shape you want. Sometimes if you have some strands just hanging, you could just cut it off with some shears. I'll link it down below in the comments because those are very useful. Alright, right here, this is how my hair looks after the gym. I just went to the gym, I sweat a little bit. Of course I'm not gonna wash it every single time I go to the gym, so I just go to bed and I wake up with a bed head. I know most of you guys are used to this. It's flat in the back, but no need to do that much. Just shake it a little bit in the back. I use the spray bottle of water to just get it moisturized, and I also use these 2 leave-in conditioner sprays. And today I'm going to be using the black bottle, the all-in-one milk. The blue bottle also has its benefits. You know, it smells wonderful, but it doesn't perform as well as the all-in-one milk. You feel me? So that's what I'm going to use today. I'm just going to put it through my hair, run my hands through it, shake it, you know, get it all leave-in, get it to a perfect shape that I like. And then yeah, that's it for the day. And that's what I would do about like every single day of the week if I need to go anywhere and refresh my hair. So that's gonna be all. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, because if you subscribe, you're amazing. All right, thank you. Have a great day.